Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide has restated its commitment to championing the cause of the Igbo nation. Our correspondent, Emmanuel Okonkwo, has the rest of the story.
The President Ohanaeze Ndigbo Anambra State Chapter, Mazi Chukwuma Okpala Ezeukwu, who stated this during a one-day enlightenment retreat for new Anambra executive members of the organization in Awka, with the theme Ohanaeze Ndigbo as a mechanism to galvanize and uphold the core values of the Igbo race and nation, with special reference to Anambra State, assured that the group will continue to uphold its core mandate, which is the protection of Igbo people's collective interest, void of religious and political inducement or the like.
We are aware that Ohanaeze, as the apex Igbo socio-cultural organization, is popular, but we deem it necessary to enlighten the new ESCOs for them to understand it better.
In their various remarks, the immediate past national vice president of the group, Chief Damian Okekogene, his state president's counterpart, Chief Chukwuemeka Udodeme, and the former national president of Anambra State Association of Town Unions, Barrister Titus Akbudo, reminded the members of the executives the need to uphold the tenets of the association at all times and always remember that they are the torch bearers of the Igbo nation, and as such should be at the forefront in the promotion and propagation of the Igbo values, the culture, and traditions. On their part, the Anambra State woman leader of the group, Mrs. Joy Onyekwere, and the state secretary, Mr. Ikechukwu Ofokansi, called on Igbo parents to endeavor to teach their children Igbo language and culture, which they said is the identity of the tribe.